How to create Reddit account profile link. For this, go ahead and launch your Reddit application on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged in to your Reddit account. Then tap on your avatar at the top and head to My Profile. Once you are here, you have to tap on the share icon at the very top. Tap on Copy Link. Now once it is copied, you can paste it anywhere that you want. Here I have shown you an example. Now anyone who taps on this link will be redirected to your profile. You can also go ahead and share it on your social media. If you cannot go ahead and share it, check for your Wi-Fi connection. Switch it to your mobile data if your Wi-Fi is acting slow. Press and hold your Reddit to head to App Info. Tap on Force Stop, then go to Storage and Cache. Here you have to clear up the cache. This will help you to fix the bug problem if you are facing any difficulty to share your link. Again, open up your Play Store or App Store and search for Reddit. If there is an update, you simply have to leave it for an update. Then try to share your link again. You can also directly share via your social media by tapping on any of the social media icon. And that's pretty much it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.